Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? I hope good. Today guys, we're going to be recreating the one, the only Jackie Aina, the only Jackie Aina's makeup face base routine. Get into it. I mean, like, you know, it's quarantine right now and Jackie has been giving us looks on her Insta stories, and you know, it feels so intimate. It's like you're right there with her and she's just, you know, teaching you how to do the thing, do the makeup, you know. So I was like, I hope this is not creepy, but I screenshotted, or rather I screen recorded one time she did her base, and I thought it would be a fun video to try to recreate that. So this is where we are at right now. You know, Jackie is here for the girls, and I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. If you want to see how I got here, please keep on watching. I screen recorded the whole snap, but I hope that's not creepy. I mean, like, you know, I hope that's not too creepy. But I have her whole routine on here and we're just going to follow it to a T. Like her face routine, you know. First thing Auntie Jackie does is she takes a powder puff and then she sets her face, kind of like primes her face. Oh no, first thing she did was she applied something somewhat of a primer. First thing she did, she applied like a primer like this. So I'm just going to be taking this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer and I'll be using this to prime my face. So I'm just going to take some of that primer and kind of like prime my face. I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I know in Jackie's routine she actually does her brows like after her base is done, but I'm used to this routine so far. So next guys, she takes a powder puff. I'll just be using this puff that came in my MAC powder, and she takes some powder and starts to dab the face. Now we all know Jackie loves the powder before foundation trick, and I have actually never tried this before, so I'm curious to find out how it will actually turn out. I'm using my MAC powder as well. This is the MAC Studio Fix in the shade NW50. Okay, now that she's done with that, she actually took like her color correcting stick and it's kind of like correcting around her dark circles. I actually don't have an orange stick like she used, but I'll be using this black Opal True Even concealer, and I'll just be using that to kind of color correct. Okay, next she just applied like a little bit of concealer, like right under the eyes, like right here. And you know Jackie loves her fan trick. Now I don't have a fan at the moment, like a small portable fan, but I have my fan over there, so I'm just going to turn it on and also let that dry a little bit. Next guys, after that she takes like a contour stick and starts to map out her face and areas like she wants to, you know, like contour. I think she like spritz the brush before she goes into like blend that out. Next guys, Jackie layers some more concealer. Now we know how she loves to layer her concealers, so I'm also going to do that as well. Now I know this is a method of applying foundation, but this thing is not easy, like blending it in between, knowing where to blend, like what's going on with my forehead? Nah, Jackie left us in 2019 because I'm not understanding, you know. And what, this is definitely some artwork because I'm sweating. So guys, this is where we are at right now. I think we're on the right track. This is how Jackie does her face. This is how we are doing our face today. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some eyeshadow and get this look all together. I love this base so far. So guys, I've just put on some false lashes and I did a little quick eyeshadow thingy. Next we're going to finish up the lips. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is the finished look. I just applied the Fenty lip gloss lip balm and some lip liner and glossy eyes, glossy lid. I love this base. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Till next time, guys, much love. Bye.